What's up, guys? It's Brokergayane, and we are back with another episode. This week, we're talking about down payment assistance programs and how you can get inside your first home with little cash down. So in my last video, I talked about renting versus buying and how buying was kind of better than renting. And a few people actually reached back out and said, hey, how am I supposed to buy when I can't afford to put a down payment on a house? Well, honey, let me tell you. You could either get gifts, which is basically your parents, family members, or friends wire transferring you that down payment amount. And that's kind of pretty much acceptable. It has to be traceable money, hence why they require you to wire it. But there are programs called down payment assistance programs or down payment assistance grants that you can receive from lenders to cover this 3% down payment. It is 3% of the loan amount on an FHA loan, so beware of that. I do not believe conventional loans offer programs like this. So that 3% is going to be covered by them. No repayment required. However, there are some catches in this. You must take an online course or an in-person course that's 8 hours long. Right now with COVID, I know things are kind of tricky, so you do have to take it online. However, I do know that a few lenders are actually allowing paying for the online fee. So you guys don't actually have to pay anything, which is great. It's going to be about a 6 to 8 hour class, and it basically talks about owning your first house. So some of the topics are how to create a budget if you are a homeowner, how your credit impacts home buying and how to improve your credit, finding a real estate agent and a lender, costs of home buying and approval process, and what to expect as a homeowner. Obviously, this is really great information that you should actually want to know when you're buying a home. Buying a home is not an easy process whatsoever, and there are expenses that you are going to have to keep up with to maintain. So once you do apply for this down payment assistance programs, just know that there is a chance that your interest can increase by a little bit. However, like I have been mentioning in my last 5 million videos, interest rates are super low right now, so it's not too bad. You're still getting a pretty good rate on this, and you have to have a credit of 620 or higher in order to qualify for these programs. Down payment assistance programs are a great resource for those of you that are working on buying your first home. Obviously, you're gonna have to put some money down. The lender does require that the borrower contributes at least $1,000 to the home transaction. So that is the very bit minimum that you're gonna have. You will also have a lot of things that are going to come up while you're buying a home within that month and from putting in an offer to closing. So beware of that. I will be making another video on the home buying process. So if you guys are interested in that, please stay tuned. And that is that, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, please make sure to hit that like button. Please make sure to subscribe and share this video. And if you guys have any questions for me, please feel free to reach out to me personally at Brokergayane on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, YouTube. And I hope you guys are doing well and staying healthy. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.